Do you know that the important part of any moisturizing routine is the sealing phase? That is the phase that determines how well your hair is going to stay moisturized. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this moisturizing hair butter. What is different today is because I'm going to be using avocado butter, and this promises to be moisturizing to make your hair feel great. So what I have is my shea butter. This helps to seal in the moisture and also your natural oils, and making sure that your hair is as strong as possible. And then my avocado butter. This is a great source of biotin, and it also contains a lot of essential minerals like potassium, and this will help keep your hair moisturized. Then for my oils, I'm going to be using my hair growth oil. I made that myself. I'm going to leave a link in your screen. And also my Jamaican black castor oil. This contains antifungal, antibacterial properties. It helps improve blood circulation and also moisturizes dry hair. Next is my chebe oil. I use chebe a lot for moisture retention, and it has always worked out for me. I've been using it for a long time. Then I have my peppermint oil as my essential oil. Then I have my vitamin E oil to preserve this hair butter. So what you want to do is put everything in a clean container, a bowl, or whatever is going to be convenient for you to really give it a good mix. I did at least 2 portions of shea butter to 1 portion of the avocado butter. Then I go in with my hair growth oil, 2 spoons of that, and my chebe oil, 2 spoons of that also. So I will be listing out all the ingredients I used in this video and all the links in the description box. So do make sure to check the description box below. Then I went in with my Jamaican black castor oil. You guys know that this is a staple for me. I always keep my Jamaican black castor oil and use it for everything I do. So I do 2 spoons of that also. And then I'm going to keep this in a water bath. So what I mean by water bath is just a bowl of hot water, and you put in your mixture so that you can melt everything down. You can also do this over low heat on your stove, whichever one is faster for you. So as you can see, everything is mixed properly and melted. So I'm going to cover this up and then take it to my refrigerator to allow it to solidify a bit before I whip this up. So I go in with my hand mixer. You can use a hand whisk to whisk this, but I prefer using a hand mixer. This makes my work faster. So I'm going to whisk this, and luckily for me, this didn't even take that long. It really didn't take up to 10 minutes for this butter to mix quickly. I just whisk it there, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. But I'm still going to use my spatula to bring them together. You know, remember I put this in the refrigerator, so at the bottom there are still some solidified butter there. So I want to whip everything together. I go in again with my spatula, bring everything together, and I whisk again. So now it's time for the next phase, where we'll be adding our essential oil and vitamin E oil. So you can use any essential oil of your choice, but I always go with my favorite peppermint oil, and I'm going to put that in there. And my vitamin E oil is supposed to help prevent this hair butter from going rancid, especially because we're using oils. So you might not need a preservative because this doesn't contain water, but if you want to, you can also use that as well. You can use any fragrance of your choice. This is where you can put fragrances or any other essential oil of your choice. So after doing that, I mix this up thoroughly to make sure that everything stays together. I use my spatula to also mix it up a bit and then this is what our result is looking like. This butter is so thick. I'm going to try this out because I've not used avocado butter before, but I'm sure that this is going to be like very, very moisturizing. So I'm going to still be sharing with you guys my experience with it, how it's turned out, if it really did well and all that. So but this is what it looks like. It looks so creamy, so thick, and looks moisturizing, guys. This is really good, like really, really good. So I'll just put this in my container and that will be all. I'll thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned one or two things from today's video, and I also have other links to my previous shea butter mix, and I will leave that on the screen, and also how I make those oils, my chebe oil, my hair growth oil. I'm going to leave that also in your screen. I'm going to leave a link in your screen. As you can see how it melts into my hands and looks so moisturizing. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit on that subscribe button, like this video, share with other people. Let me know also in the comment section if you used this avocado butter before, and what you feel about it and what you think about it. If there are any questions, hit me down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.